Dear learners, welcome to the course Advanced Communication Laboratory. In this video, I will explain the experiment measurement of numerical aperture. What is numerical aperture? Numerical aperture is the measure of acceptance angle, and also it defines light gathering capacity. Numerical aperture is a very important parameter because it determines how strongly a fiber guides light wave. Let us start the experiment. I take optical fiber trainer kit and 1 meter fiber cable and measurement setup for numerical aperture. These three things are needed for this experiment. The main objective of this experiment is to estimate numerical aperture of an optical fiber. So I connect the optical fiber to the LED source with the 650 nanometer optical transmitter too. So we take the optical trainer kit for this purpose. I take LED source with the 650 nanometer wavelength, and another end of the cable is inserted into the numerical aperture measurement unit. I insert it, and after inserting the fiber cable, you tighten the screw, it hold the fiber, and you observe here the optical fiber will project a circular patch of red light. So we measure the diameter of this circular patch. So you see here, this is the measurement setup of numerical aperture, and the distance between the optical fiber, tip of the optical fiber to the screen is focal length D, and the circular patch of this LED light is diameter. We measure BCDE. From this we estimate numerical aperture of optical fiber. First we fix the optical fiber at a certain distance, the focal length of 2.4 centimeter. Then I will calculate what is the diameter of the circular patch. I take 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter from this measurement setup, and then I adjust the focal length to 2 centimeter, and then I will measure 1.3 centimeter. So in this way we adjust the focal length D, then we will measure the diameter of the circular patch. By using the formula, numerical aperture is equal to x by root of d squared plus x squared, we calculate the numerical aperture for the various focal length. So after taking various values of focal length, here 0.29, 0.31, 0.316, 0.371. Then I take the average value of the numerical aperture. It is approximately equal to 0.32. So this is the setup diagram for this experiment. So it has optical fiber we consider is 1 meter. It is connected to LED source. Another end is connected to the numerical aperture measurement unit. So from this we observe that if you adjust the focal length correspondingly, the circular patch size is also varying. So the numerical aperture depends upon the diameter and also the focal length. I hope you could understand the concept of measurement of numerical aperture. Thank you.